Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is city creation. So, one of the person told that basically last video basically we saw that basically about that 12 lakh crore dollar basically. So that 12 lakh crore dollar basically contains basically this all money also basically. That is that 100 plane basically got crash. Daily basically get cross that get crash basically. This get basically crash. Literally basically this get crash basically. Lots of people say that yeah, how people basically are becoming so rich basically. Yeah. There is no basically magic basically that people can earn 90,000 crore, 80,000 crore. That is no, there is no magic here basically. कोई मैजिक ही नहीं है ऐसा. There is no magic in this world basically. Then how basically they are earning basically yeah this much? 12 lakh crore basically is a huge amount basically. How basically cricket basically is connected with this basically. That also one person basically literally told. And one of the thing basically is World Bank is also connected here basically. That is the main thing basically. That means World Bank knows this basically. That 100 basically plane is getting crashed. Or basically and only few people basically might be knowing or basically that. Because anything is possible basically. How many people knows that 4 lakh people basically are dying basically? How many people knows? That's very dangerous basically. So to keep the control of the world basically, anything basically happens basically. That is the main thing basically. To keep the just control basically of the world, anything basically happens basically. So this basically connects to the news channel also basically. Up to what level the news channel basically keeps the information of each and every house, each and every land. For example, Vadodara city just now basically earthquake came basically. So how basically they get the information that Vadodara city basically got earthquake? So that is basically news channel basically. So this basically one of the person told that basically this news channel basically might not be knowing this basically. They might be knowing 100% and they might be knowing basically. They might be knowing this basically. But news panel basically how basically they can reach to the Mount Everest basically. How basically they can reach to the Himalaya mountain basically. Then one of the person told that do you know basically news channel basically almost basically news channel basically are from the Asian side basically. Asian supporter side basically. Then he told that yes, here basically you are correct. Then how basically this will get telecast in the television basically as a news channel basically. Sorry, in the news channel basically. Because all are basically news basically are controlled by the Asian group basically. Then how basically that is possible basically? You are correct basically. Just see basically how to what level the news channel are also going to be connect basically. So one of the person told that yeah, news channel basically might be knowing basically, but they will never tell basically. Why? Because they are also staying in the Asian land basically. That's basically. And one of the person told that basically if you want to get out from the Asia land basically, then basically if when a rich person basically, for example one person told that basically I want to exit India basically, then it's very difficult to exit from India basically because you have to cross that separation land basically, Asian land basically. Sorry, the Asia border basically, that land basically. That's very difficult basically. So like this, assume that basically in Asia basically this is happening right basically. So other country also basically other side basically like European side, there also basically might be happening this type of thing basically right. There also basically might be some place basically. Mostly basically the mountain only basically are used in this type of activities basically. So there also basically might be some place basically because Asian countries are moving to American, they are moving to Europe. So that is not possible that it is basically practically it is not possible that they might not be knowing this whole thing, and they are basically allowing India to stay there, the Asian country to stay there basically. That means they also might be doing this type of activities. 100%, because this is the only way to secure the Asian country basically. So let basically they also basically get into that basically. That basically was policy of someone basically who created this type of system basically. Let's the whole world basically enter into this. In this basically he connected the World Bank also basically. He connected the World Bank also. That is possibilities basically 100%. This is actually one story basically, but it might be 100% correct also basically. Why? Because nobody tells basically like that basically 100 plane is that also in blog basically. Yeah. When I was in Mumbai basically, when I was doing job in 3i Infotech, that is basically ICICI Infotech basically. That time basically somebody told me basically. That means banks are also connected basically in this. That is 100% basically. Data science project basically is also connected. Data science project basically just now basically they have given the name. They have separated the data science project basically by giving the name basically. But this type of project basically previously also it was ongoing basically. But they have specially given the name basically data science project. That basically literally basically the name only says basically that live project is going to connect to your data is going to connect to the live project. So that live project and your project must be having same data basically. Not a single character is supposed to be here to there basically. But they might be using the unique identification only basically, that is the passport number. So that is very the passport number basically is unique, the identity. According to that only basically they dump the data into the live database. They basically not be basically dumping, but their database they might be connecting to the plain database. It might be possible basically. That basically connects to hijack only basically. Lots of people says yeah मेरा laptop hijack हो गया, my computer got hijack. So that basically is the thing basically. So daily basically hijack basically happens, but nobody basically can track this. Why? Because you can't. If you know the system, that then only basically you will able to understand that basically the system is getting cracked, system is getting hacked. For example, you are working in the system, right? Basically, when you will know the entire system basically, that time only you can say that basically my system is getting cracked, system is getting hijacked. If you don't know the entire system basically, then how you can say that basically my system is getting hijacked? That's why basically the departments are created. Nobody knows the full system basically. That's why the full system basically is not given. That's why the full system information basically is not shared to anyone basically. This is the only reason basically. If you know the entire system, then only you can say that basically this system is got hijacked. So 11 parts of Earth planet, 11 parts of the Earth planet basically happens. That is 100% sure basically. 11 parts basically, it's not a small number basically. So 11 parts is not a small number basically. So one person told that, are you sure basically this is happening basically? Then he told that yes basically, it's happening basically, yeah. Literally basically happening basically. This whole thing basically is happening basically. Hijack is possible basically. So 100 plane in Himalaya, 100 plane in Mount Everest. More than 4 lakh people basically. That also basically high profile people basically. So this is basically the data science project basically. Just now basically we saw actually what data science project is basically. So this is the best example of the data science project basically. Next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.